Hi, and welcome back. We are on our way, me and this guy, on our way to Crested Butte. This weekend we're gonna go camping, and we're hoping to get a spot that we've been to before called the Lake Irwin campground. Hoping to get a spot there, and we're also gonna be checking out our wedding venue, kind of do like a final walkthrough type of thing. But it's really informal. It's just like we're gonna go and look at it and stuff. So maybe get a little bit of hiking, like mild hiking along the way. Try some foods that we might be having at the welcome dinner, and having just lots of fun, right?
Right.
It might be a little rainy, so we shall see. Anyway, we off. Let's go. Can't believe it. We got one of the last ones. We did it. We're one campsite away from our campsite a few years ago. We did it. Yay. Now we're gonna set up. What happens?
Nerds. I'll let you get away with that one. We're gonna go for a little walk, and we are gonna go see the lake for fun. Go see the lake.
Have a snack. But it's so pretty.
This is our snack.
Cinnamon roll snack, the best. Anyway, when I come see the lake, come with us. Is this our spot? Meet me at our spot. Ooh. My man is making a fire, my little fire sign. I won't show you the fire yet, it's not ready. I got my comfies on. I'm feeling cozy and happy, and I'm just happy to be here, let's be honest. It's Crested Butte. It's pretty much the most perfect place in the world. Do you know this? Good morning. It's a little after 10 at the Lake Irwin campground, and we are about to make some coffee. Who wants coffee? I do.
I've got a song that nobody knows. I put it on when nobody's home. It sounds like high school front gates, smoking in my face. It sounds like different highways, but it's too bright. It sounds like loving you is easy, but they boosted the bass. It sounds like I could touch you, pick a shoecase. FL Studio for downloading messages to read. Hidden underneath my pillow, 'cause I should be asleep.
Had our breakfast, so yummy. A little coffee. Camp coffee is the best. Now we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna head into town, and then we're gonna go have a really informal walk-through look at the venue for our wedding in a few weeks. And then we're gonna walk around town and do a little shopping for fun, because why not? We're here. Gorgeous morning. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this place. All right, let's get changed. I feel like the charcuterie can go over here, over there. We can have the cups there. We can have the coolers line up there.
It sounds like
have a little Thai food. Whose favorite is Thai food? Here it is.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away, both under influence. We had given to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above. magic rush. The star just sits.
We got our Thai food. We got a good view. We put a blankie down. Oh, we're gonna feast.
Of perfect tunes, the colors red and blue. We had a promise made. We were in love. Took off our hats of above to lean on. Wouldn't be good enough for me. Took off our hats of above to lean on. Wouldn't be good enough. And you knew the hand of the devil.
Morning. It is Saturday. Today we're gonna go explore and go hiking a few places, scope out a little morning picnic for our wedding day, 'cause we're gonna do a little bit of that. I have a few spots on my list, so we're gonna just kind of drive around and hike around and eat and have picnics in different areas and see which one we like, to be honest. Right now we're gonna make coffee and dunk some bagels and cream cheese, and then we're gonna be off. Yeah, nice day. We slept so good last night. We were cozy, we were warm. This is my man.
I am the man.
He's right, you know.
She's right, you know.
Just getting a few things, and then we're gonna head up Cottonwood Pass for our first stop. Woo! It's like I don't know, 50 minutes outside of Crested Butte, so you know, we're gonna drive. Oh, to be a cow. We're up at the Cottonwood Pass. We're gonna eat lunch because we're kind of hungry. But we're gonna take this little hike too to see where it goes. Hey, we just got back to our campsite and something kind of crazy is going on. Look at this. Cannot really see the mountains as well because they are so smoky. And I'll tell you what, it smells like fire. Hope we'll be all right. Okay, let's make some dinner. Potatoes. Anyway, next one. Hi. This one I feel like I'm barely getting in. Hi. Get your butt. Okay. Now we gonna wrap them and boil them and spice them up, I guess. Andy made a combination. It's not oregano leaves. It's deliciousness. Like that. Salt, pepper, and paprika.
Pepper, paprika, a little turmeric, a little oregano.
Why not? Okay. Aluminum foil next. Andy wants a double foil. So 2 foils it is. For 1 potato. Let him know if you think that's too much. But I won't say a word. Olive oil, gotta. Me. Give it a little rubby dub. Less spices. Comes out fast. Right, babe? Okay. Oh my God. And then it's time to put the baby to bed. What spices? Whatever we doing it. Oh,
So cute. I love you.
I love you too. I'm wrapping them like candy. How's that? You can grab onto something.
Oh, that's perfect. That's a good idea. Very thoughtful.
He said I was thoughtful. With a THOT. Thoughtful. La 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 la. No matter what, you've got to strut. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Give the sweet potato a lather. Oh shit. Roll her around. Breakdancing! Okay. It's time for the spices. Anyway, time to wrap. Time to get it wrapped. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Squeeze the ends. Candy, but they potatoes. Trick or treat. Yeah, and that's a wrap. This man. Now I think we should put some music on. Do you think we should put some music on?
I think we should put some music on.
I think we should put some music on. ASMR, but the A stands for Andy. Not too loud. That's potato ASMR. Did you like that?
Gold teeth and a curse for this town are all in my mouth. Only I don't know how they got out.
That's for you.
You'll make. Where are the marshmallows at?
They got melted in there, though.
It was so hot the marshmallows melted. Sickening. Yummy. We got cheesy potato, sweet potato, melted marshmallow. Is it hot as a fire? Is it lava chicken? Lava chicken. Lava potato. Lava potato.
Crispy.
Oh yeah. Oh,
What'd you start with?
I started with the flesh.
The sweet potato?
It's really good. Great idea, babe. Is there more?
Oh, yeah.
This is it. Boil a mushroom, stick them in a fire. We finished our dinner and now we get to have delicious hot schmoes.
In just a few hours, you'll be sitting around a campfire with Andy making delicious hot schmoes.
They're called s'mores, Buzz.
Right, of course.
That's the goods. When?
Godspeed, all the bakers at dawn. May they all cut the tongue
Soup.
and bleed into their buns till they melt away.
Oh my god, what are we listening to?
I'm looking in on the good life I might
I gotta go get the sticks.
never find.
Do you like a s'more? You wish you were having s'mores with us, don't you? I know you do. The 6 seconds! Now we get to put on the puffs. And we do 2 at a time. Them both on the s'more. So delicious. Your schmoes. You're ready. There you are. I grant thee. Let's go burn some marshmallows. Hello. I love you. Yes. Yes. Not quite done yet. Okay, you know what? These are fine, and it's starting to slide. So let's get these on up. Graham cracker, graham cracker, graham cracker. Graham cracker, graham cracker, graham cracker. Whoa, those look puffy. You get to witness me eat my schmo.
Wow. That looks like a good
Really
s'more,
good.
love.
I mean, it's Sunday. We're packing up to leave. How sad. I never want to leave. Although this place is pretty awesome. The ash skies cleared up. Beautiful again outside. Wow. So yeah, we're just gonna pack up and we're gonna head out. This was so fun. I had a blast. Woo! To our campsite. One more time. Aww. No more tent. No more view. But also no more smoke. That's nice. We're gonna have a little coffee, a little brekkie, and then we're gonna hit the road. The camp host is already like, "Are you leaving?" "Yes, ma'am, we are." Yummy.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday.